All right. Hello, everybody. My name's Nathan Aslin, and I'm the squad lead and development manager for the ITS Asset Tracker project. And right now, one of our developers, Yong Shun, is going to introduce the company and the stakeholders.
Okay, let me introduce the company first. The University of Nebraska Cybersecurity Identity Team is comprised of 18 members distributed across all NU campus. They are charged with protecting the information, data, and IT infrastructure of the institution. The problem is the University of Nebraska has thousands of devices, but it is not clear who is ultimately responsible for each asset, or who to contact for a problem. Then our stakeholders include cybersecurity IDM team members, science service team members, system team members, application development team members, and Penn State IT security operations.
All right, thanks, Yangshan. So now I'll introduce the team or everybody that was involved in the project. So, like Yang said, our sponsor is the ITS team at University of Nebraska, and our point of contact was Brian Mellon. Our project manager is Melanie Kugler-Wright. The tribe lead is Dr. Chris Bone, and this is our development team. I'm Nathan. I'm the squad lead and development manager. Vu Mai is our product manager. Al Farouk, Michael, Elisa, and Yongshan are our developers, and Michael and Yongshan are the two doing this presentation with me, and our team coach is Ron Gallagher. So, as Young kind of introduced, our problem and the opportunity we have is that the ITS team currently does not have a centralized asset inventory system. They're required to leverage multiple tools to identify who's responsible for each of their devices. So this mixture of data is often stale and inaccurate, and their team members are required to jump between multiple systems to locate information about a single device. So our product brings all that information together into a centralized system with the capability to view asset characteristics in a single location. So this is a short demonstration of the solution we built.
Here's the demo of our products. So our products is a dashboard on Splunk system. And up here, we have different text box to filter the table below it. So you can put the keywords in and it will search within the table to find the records that match the keywords. And you can search for IP addresses, matrices, host names, names, subnet ranges, campuses, departments, and contact names. And all the data from the dashboard is pulled out directly from EIP system in UNL. Below the table, we have 3 pie charts showing the distribution by different category. We have campus, department, and IT contact. Using it, user can visualize and have a clear understanding of who's having the most system to manage or which department has the most system. Also, the same apply to the campus. In order to use the system, a user can basically just put anything that they want to search for. For example, in assume that user have a vulnerability scan showing the 10.3.17.138 with vulnerabilities, and they want to find who's managing the system so they can contact that person or those people and have them fix the vulnerability. User can come here and search for the IP, and it will show after you hit submit. You can search for partial keyword, which means that the system we have implements the uh, wildcard in front and after the keyword. So using the same IP, but now I deleted the last number of the IP address. So it will search for any IP address starting with 10.3.17. And after hit submit, you can see all of here. So uh, in the /24 subnet, you can use it to search the whole subnet range. But in order to search for subnet that bigger or smaller than /24, in our example, 10.3.16.0 is actually the subnet of the IP which we just searched for. You need to use the subnet range instead. So take the same subnet, but when you put into subnet range, it won't show anything. But if you actually put the CIDR notation range, so /20, it will show up again in our record. And also any change in the dashboard in the table based on your search will be reflected back to the pie chart. So if I want to search for for any departments with a computer word in it, you can just put computer in. It will show the CSE computer and science engineering department, computer science and engineering department, and also electrical and computer engineering. There are two different departments, and all records uh, are updated into our pie chart, and you can use it to map who who managing system on which department. And basically, because we pull all of the records from EIP, so from Lincoln EIP, so it will just show Lincoln department, and the total system is 648. It's very useful, and these are many use cases for the product. Also, you can use the match as to search for device type. So, for example, we have Apple prefix, mattress prefix. So every vendor, they have a set of prefixes assigned to them for the hardware or for actually the network interface card and IC. And here's the prefix of Apple. If I hit search, it will Apple show Apple devices only. So you can see like iPhone, iPad, and that is for our demo. Thank you.
All right. I'd like to thank Vu, our product manager, for putting that demo together. And now Michael's going to go over some of the value and highlights.
All right, so some of the values of this project is that our solution displays characteristics like about IT assets, just as IP address, MAC address, host name, subnet information, IT contact information. This is much more useful than what they previously had to do, which is basically just try to find their information on their own. And all of that information is shown in a single dashboard, which is continuously updated to reflect any changes in the network. And some highlights of our project is that in the process, our team was able to learn many new technologies, such as Splunk Tenable and Efficient IP. And also, our team learned how to effectively manage sponsor communication despite a change of contact, despite having to manually enter data for a while, and despite COVID-19. I'd say that's it. So thank you for watching our presentation. Thank you to NUITS for this project. I think that's it.
Thanks, everybody.